Welcome to this Village Home Stores kitchen remodel on the river in Princeton, Iowa. This kitchen features cook cabinetry in a hickory stone finish, tile and floor surfaces, countertops, lighting, and appliances, all from Village Home Stores. This family handled all of their own demo, and we tagged in from there, arranging all of the other needed subcontractors to complete the space. Our complete project remodel team collected all estimates and coordinated all materials and crews for installation. While the kitchen stayed in the same location, the layout did change quite a bit. A wall that divided the kitchen from the living room was removed, leaving only a structural header. At the center of the new design is a large, single-level kitchen island, with plenty of countertop surface and storage surrounding the sink user. And along the back of the island, there's even more storage hidden away underneath the seating overhang. One of the customer's favorite elements of this kitchen island is the workstation kitchen sink. This unit comes with accessories like strainers and cutting boards that all fit onto any of the 3-tiered levels. The sink is undermounted to a Calacatta quartz with a pull-down sprayer faucet and a disposal button. To the left of the sink is a KitchenAid dishwasher. Located just a few steps and a small reach away from that large kitchen island is a cooking center wall fit with a slide-in style electric range with convection oven and a baking drawer below. Above the cooktop surface is a stainless steel range hood with up to 600 CFMs available. Water is easily accessible at the cooktop from a pot filler faucet installed through the tiled wall. This 30-inch KitchenAid unit has easy-to-navigate intuitive features, and the cooking area has been surrounded with great storage solutions. A pegboard drawer organizer is included in the drawer opposite of the dishwasher. Many of our customers find that loading and unloading dishes and glasses from a base cabinet is much easier and safer than reaching up to a wall cabinet. Pots and pans are also accessible in the other drawer base cabinet and in a base cabinet fit with slide-out shelves. On the end of this wall, we installed a pair of floating shelves to fit underneath the header and offer display areas off of the kitchen counter. Shelves like these can be ordered to match any of our finishes. Around the corner from this cooking wall is another area that we reworked during this kitchen remodel. Up against the existing brick wall is a stainless steel French door KitchenAid refrigerator. This unit is counter depth and it's enclosed with a matching hickory stone end panel and a cabinet up above. A coffee and charging station is on the wall with just enough room for a pull-out spice cabinet and a KitchenAid microwave drawer below the counter. The hallway that connects the kitchen to the bedrooms has now become a proper extension of the kitchen, with 2 closets that were updated to use matching kitchen cabinet fronts for the doors. Tall pantry fronts can be ordered to match your cabinets, and in this home we fit the hall utility closet and the pantry out with these doors and face frames. The pantry also now has matching stained pantry shelves inside. An area of the original kitchen that used to be home to a small antique sideboard cabinet is now a versatile custom-built dry bar. It has plenty of added storage below, plus a large area of available countertop surface. The wall cabinetry has a matching finished interior and glass doors, with lighting under and inside of the cabinetry. With the kitchen wall removed and a brand new layout, a new consistent flooring surface was also installed. From our best-selling Cortec vinyl plank line, this is Madrid Oak. If any of these before images look a little too familiar to you, perhaps it is time you reach out to the Quad Cities experts in kitchen remodeling, Village Home Stores. Make an appointment today to learn about our process and start planning your own dream kitchen project with Village Home Stores. Learn more and send us a quick text or message to get started at villagehomestores.com.